Hi, this is John Rodriguez, massagetherapyhouston.com. This is a short video that you can use at home to work on your own wrist if you've got carpal tunnel tightness or wrist or hand tightness. So what you do is grab your hand. Is that showing? Okay, my assistant is telling me this is showing. So everything's showing?
Better.
All right, that's better. So what you do is you grab the muscles with your other hand, and then you can work your wrist or your fingers to activate those muscles, and you can do it from each side. So the idea is to grab the muscles in the forearm. You want to do it just below the elbow. You want to be sure that you don't work here in the lower part of the forearm where there's more tendons and less muscles. You could squeeze your thumb here, but better to get a broader pressure like this. Squeeze there. This is a good feeling here. So that's something you can do at home. Just want to, you're probably going to stop because this technique, it's a variation on active release, and it can be uncomfortable, but you're not going to make it hurt any more than you can tolerate. Just move your hand around, move your wrist around, and that can help loosen those muscles for your wrist and your hand. massagetherapyhouston.com. Thank you.